Hello there, this is the Gameplay Gamer. I think this is my store buy episode 23. No, 24. I gotta put the title. I bought a USB cable from Target. This is a quick store buy, so I put the Target at top. Here's the unboxing. Ready for it? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I bought the 8GB Sans Daisy USB cable. This is a quick store buys episode. The Dane Elec USB cable. And this is brought to you by Street Fighter 3rd Strike. The Makoto theme in the background. Well, thank you for watching. Peace out. Subscribe. A video quickie.